The 6 amazing health benefits of drinking ginger and lemon water daily. Ginger root is a powerful medicinal spice, and it's been used for over 5,000 years in India and China for its healing properties, and it's still used today for its unique and delicious flavor. Likewise, lemon juice is also known to help purify the body, including the blood and the digestive system, as it's rich in antioxidants and citric acid. When you combine fresh ginger juice with fresh lemon juice, you create a powerful health tonic that can strengthen your body against all different kinds of ailments and diseases, especially when it comes to detoxifying harmful substances from your body and lowering your body fat percentage. Before we dive into the 6 amazing benefits of these ingredients, let's take a look at the recipe. You will need a 4-inch slice of fresh ginger, 1 whole lemon or 2 limes, and 500 milliliters of mineral water. Method: use a cheese grater to shred your ginger very finely, or you can use a sharp knife. There's no need to remove the skin for this recipe. Now add the shredded ginger into the water, stir it well and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours, allowing the ginger juice to fully infuse into the water. Then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to remove the ginger fiber, leaving you with just the pure ginger water. Then simply squeeze the juice from the whole lemon into the ginger water. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach once a day to begin experiencing some major improvements in your health. I'll talk more about these benefits in the next section. Please note, make sure that you do not use hot or warm water for this recipe. Heating the water can destroy some of the delicate antioxidants, and we need these intact, so stick with cold water and be patient with this recipe. I also recommend using only fresh lemon juice, as the bottled varieties tend to be pasteurized and they lack the real vitamin C and antioxidants that we're looking for here. Finally, feel free to make a larger batch of this to store up to 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator, but as with all of these healing remedies that I talk about, try to remember that the fresher it is, the better it is. Now let's explore the 6 amazing health benefits of drinking this tonic on a daily basis. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to a doctor if you have any genuine medical concerns. The first benefit, of course, is digestion. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach helps to clean out the digestive system so that you can absorb more nutrients from your food that you consume later in the day. This tonic is actually excellent for those who suffer with bloating, gas, indigestion, acid reflux, GERD, and other digestive problems. You see, the ginger in this drink helps to improve liver function by boosting glutathione. This is the master antioxidant. Your liver then starts releasing more concentrated bile, a liquid that cleans out your intestines, helps to carry away waste through your colon, and detoxifies harmful substances from your body. Likewise, the citric acid from the lemons helps your natural stomach acids to break down food better, allowing you to absorb more vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, E, zinc, iron, calcium, etc. This drink is very helpful for those with anemia, as the vitamin C helps your body to absorb more iron to make red blood cells or hemoglobin. Citric acid can also help to prevent the formation of kidney stones because it binds to calcium oxalates, preventing them from crystallizing in your kidneys. The second benefit is increased blood circulation. Ginger and lemon water is also one of the best remedies for boosting the circulation of the blood around your body. The gingerols that give it the spicy zing that you taste helps to block certain enzymes that are making your arteries narrow and tight. So drinking this helps the arteries to become more flexible, allowing for better blood flow and lowering your blood pressure. This can naturally improve the health of your heart, lowering the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots as more oxygen travels through your body. In addition, the lemon juice also provides vitamin C, hesperidin, and diosmin. All of these ingredients help to strengthen the blood vessels and prevent cholesterol from oxidizing and sticking to the walls of your arteries. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on for my latest health and nutrition tips. Coming right back now to benefit number 3, reduced pain and inflammation. Another interesting fact is that ginger juice has been scientifically shown to be stronger than some over-the-counter pain relief drugs like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, but without the side effects as it's completely natural and unprocessed. So when you combine this with the anti-inflammatory properties of the lemon juice, you get a powerhouse natural pain relief tonic. After drinking this for a few days, you'll notice less aches and pains, especially in your joints and your muscles because of the increased blood flow. The drink will also reduce swelling and inflammation by helping your body to flush out excess fluids that could be backing up into your tissues and triggering pain. This drink is actually one of the most powerful menstrual pain remedies for women who suffer with heavy periods. It works by lowering prostaglandins in the same way that ibuprofen would. So if you suffer with any type of arthritis, chronic pain, or headaches, try this mixture out for a week and see how you feel. Number 4 is a boosted immune system. As I previously talked about, ginger has been used for thousands of years for treating cold and flu, and it's very effective at speeding up the life cycle of an infection. For example, if you have a cough, a sinus infection, a cold, or a virus, you can double the dose of this drink and drink it twice per day. The powerful antioxidants, plant compounds, and vitamins found in both the lemon juice and the ginger help to speed up the immune cells in your body. The immune cells, also known as white blood cells, then start attacking the harmful invaders like the viruses or the bacteria in your body faster so that you can heal at a rapid rate. Before the birth of modern medicine, these remedies were absolutely necessary in ancient cultures to help fight off disease. Benefit number 5 is anti-cancer. Studies have also shown that consuming ginger on a regular basis helps to induce autophagy. This is basically a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and proteins and recycles them into new healthy cells. This will reduce the risk of cells becoming cancerous. And as this drink also boosts antioxidants in your body, it further protects the genetic material called DNA in your cells from free radical damage. In fact, the gingerols, shogool, and paradols from the ginger, along with the citrus juice from the lemon, has all been shown to cause existing cancer cells to commit suicide without harming any of the healthy cells around them. And the 6th benefit is weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, it's important that you focus on lowering the fat storage hormone in your body, which is called insulin. You can do this by following a low-carb diet, fasting, eating less frequently, and also getting more antioxidant foods into your diet. The antioxidant effect of ginger and lemon juice helps to lower the need for insulin in your body by improving insulin sensitivity. Therefore, basically drinking this mixture helps more energy to get into your cells, naturally lowering your hunger and helping your body to tap into its fat stores for energy. By reducing insulin resistance, this drink can also help to prevent or manage type 2 diabetes. Bonus benefits. In addition to the 6 key benefits that we've just talked about, you may also notice some other changes when you drink this regularly. Ginger juice, for example, is one of the best nausea remedies and can naturally prevent morning sickness, travel sickness, motion sickness, and a general feeling of nausea because of how it improves the flow of digestive juices. The lemon water also works with the ginger to improve the breakdown of toxins in your liver. We call this stage 1 and stage 2 detoxification. This naturally has an anti-aging effect on your body because your liver starts producing more glutathione and antioxidants that will protect the trillions of cells from free radical damage and oxidation as you age. In addition, the drink also contains trace amounts of copper and lots of the real vitamin C complex, which boosts collagen synthesis. This will make your skin look healthier, younger, and smoother, and it will strengthen the ligaments, tendons, and the cartilage in your joints. When you drink this mixture, you may notice that it has a warming effect in your stomach. This is caused by the zingiberine and the gingerols from the ginger, and it's very normal and a sign that it's fresh and working properly. Other ways to use ginger and lemon. If you're in a hurry, you may not always have time to produce a fresh batch of ginger and lemon juice, so try adding these into your diet in different ways. You could try adding ginger powder to your stir-fries, soups, marinades and curries for a quick hit of flavour and health benefits. You could also squeeze raw lemon juice using your hands over a salad to help you absorb more minerals and digest the vegetables better. I also recommend taking ginger capsules on a long journey if you have travel sickness. My wife uses these and they are very effective. Use ginger essential oils directly on aching joints and muscles, as the warming effect can help to decrease pain beneath the skin. Or you can use an electric juicer to make a ginger shot with a quick squeeze of lemon if you can tolerate the strong kick without the added water. Remember that these natural remedies always work best when you're following a healthy lifestyle that's low in processed foods and high in whole fruits, vegetables, meats and fish. Eating refined foods like sugar, flour and vegetable oils will all cause massive amounts of inflammation and will block you from getting healthy. So if you'd like to learn more about the healthiest foods that you can eat with no carbs and no sugars, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.